Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my HB Racing D2 Evo sway bars. It's indoor season. Everybody's getting geared up with the new HB Racing D2 Evo. That's the new hot ticket right now, and I'm all fired up about it. So I'm trying to get mine ready to do some carpet racing. I've changed to a 17.5, so I got the fan on it. I'm waiting on a few other parts. I got a LCG battery coming, and hopefully we'll be ready to go soon. So today's video, there's currently not any sway bars available for it. So I've purchased some D418 sway bars. So the rears came in. So last night I worked on those and I got those fitted on there pretty good. So I'm going to get this camera turned around and show you what I did and what it took to make the sway bars work. And we'll be right back. Okay, so D2 Evo rear sway bars. Nothing's available right now, and I saw some people retrofitted some other pieces on there and were able to do it. But I got carpet racing coming up soon, so I bought some 418 sway bars and see if I can make them work. I know some people made the fronts work, and I'll do those in other videos. Those haven't came in yet, but yesterday I got the rear, so I went to it and got them working. So what I had to do was here's the stock the sway bar from the 418. This is the one I retrofitted on there. So you have to bend the bar just a little bit. So the first thing you do is I take some duckbill pliers and grab them this way and pull them. I'm gonna do these later, but leaving this for the video, I'm gonna just show you the difference. So straighten those out. You can see I straightened up that part right there, and then you bend it here inward a little bit. So then you got the two orange pieces that go here. Then the sway bar goes in like that. So you take these and spread those out and tighten them down to center it. And we'll go ahead and screw this piece in. Okay, so then you take two set screws and screw in here. I like to run them down till they're tight and then back off a little, just like you'll do on any other sway bar setup. So they're free, but there's no slop in them. Okay, so next is on the arm in the stock sway bar location, I put a ball in, or a screw-in ball, like a 3mm. These are some really short ones that I had. I don't know, I have no idea what they came from, but the shortest ones you can find, and just go ahead and screw those in there. And then with the sway bar kit, you'll get these ends. These ends will snap onto the ball end. Then I put two 1mm shims in there, and then the ball that comes with the sway bars, screw them into this end here. Then this top piece is what you use on a 418 to screw it into the sway bar. It's got a set screw there. So you just pop these in with the shiny side towards the ball. Just pop those in. Run it in. And it's best to kind of point these out a little bit so you can get to it when the shocks are in there. And then we're just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And there you have it. Got a sway bar on the rear of a D2 Evo. You can see there's plenty of clearance. You got to be careful to get it the right height. That's why it's got those shims on it, to keep it above the axle. and free from the camber links. Make sure nothing's dragging. And you have to, the amount you bend it is, you got to play with that just a little bit, get it just in the right spot. You don't want it too close to the shock. So we'll put a shock on here. Leave you just enough room. Just enough room for the shock clearance and the spring. You may have to tweak it a little bit. You know, you don't want to bend it more than you have to. You make that thing weak or break it. But that's really all you do is straighten the ends and move the outside pieces in. You can see the difference right there. About 3/8 of an inch. You move the outside in. So anyway, there's sway bar for the rears. Hopefully the fronts will be here soon, and I'll get those done, and we'll go over that, and we'll see you next time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.